good morning. Today is July 24th. I'm starting this vlog out because I'm getting ready for work. I work today from 9 to 3, but I think today is also the day that I'm going to be hitting 100,000 subscribers, which is crazy. If you know me in real life, that's something that like I've always dreamed of. It's funny because like when I started my YouTube channel, my ultimate goal was to hit 1,000 subscribers, and I kind of never even thought 100,000 was even possible. I'm like kind of stressed out that I'm gonna miss watching it roll over because I'm gonna be at work. So that's why I'm just taking you guys along today so that whenever I hit it, you guys will be there. The other thing that's really special is that my friend Keegan is going to come visit me tomorrow. And the thing that's really cool is we're about to both hit our milestones together. So here's my live subscriber count. Right now I'm at 99,659. And then over here we have Keegan's up on the screen too. She's at 299,445. So she's about to hit 300,000. We are so excited, and we really wanted to hit it when we're together, which is gonna be tomorrow, but it just kind of worked out that we're probably both gonna hit it today, and then we'll just celebrate tomorrow. I really wish that Keegan was here for this because I really wanted to like hit them at the exact same time because we're actually 209 apart or something. Okay, bye guys, I'm gonna go to work and I'll keep you updated. I'm gonna just be watching the subscriber count slowly throughout the day, and hopefully I'll just like hit it at the right time on my break. I'm going on my break right now because I'm at 99966. We got 24 to go. I'm so excited. Shout out to my coworker Nicole for helping me plan my break at the perfect time. So yeah, oh, it's so bright. Climbing so fast, and Keegan right now is texting me like crazy updates because like I really just don't want to miss it. And Keegan is so close to 300,000. She's less than 200 away. I'm gonna order my acai bowl and then eat and then watch it. All right, we're at 99970. I don't know why I said it was 25 away last time. My math was way off, but this is the up-to-date subscriber count. Acai bowl here. I'm watching this. Keegan's texting me. She says, hi, Kiara's vlog, by the way. This just flipped to 80. Okay, so I just posted a tweet asking you guys to go subscribe because I literally have 8 minutes left of my break and I want to see it roll over so badly. We are 15 away and I literally have 35% battery and so many things are happening and my heart is beating so fast. I also set my alarm for 25 minutes instead of 30 for my break, so I have a little bit longer, so I'm remaining calm. 10 more to go. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, 9 more to go. We have 5 more subscribers, guys. 3 more. I'm not leaving the screen at all because I don't want to miss it. 3 more, that's my lucky number. 98. I'm not ready for it to be all 9s. Dun 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 dun. Oh my god. Okay, I never got the actual 100,000, but it says 100,001. Absolutely insane. Thank you guys so much for being a part of this. This is seriously just the beginning. I feel like I say thank you so much, it's lost its meaning, but honestly, you guys have changed my life. This is crazy. Thank you so much for being a part of this, for all the support, all the good comments. You guys keep me motivated and positive every single day. I'm literally shaking. I don't even know what to say. I have to go back to work. I'm gonna talk to you guys later tonight. Thank you guys so much for 100,000. If there's something in your life that you really want to do and get started and try, and you're nervous, scared, think it's not gonna work out, just go for it, because no matter what happens, it's gonna be the most rewarding experience for you. For me, I started my YouTube channel when I was honestly really bored. I was lonely, wasn't getting invited to things. I didn't really have anything that excited me in my life anymore, and I really wanted something like that. So I started this channel, and it really turned into something that I never would have expected. So please go out there and do something that scares you, because that's what life's about. Like, nothing is ever easy. I'm just telling you the truth. I'm so happy with where I am in my life right now, and that's because of you guys and because you subscribed.
Oh, hello! My name is Kiara, and this is my web show. I'm having a great summer. I've had a play date every day.
If almost gone, someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me, there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams, even great.
Hey guys, it's Kiara, and today I'm filming my 18th birthday haul.
And I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all.
It's Jake,
Marin, Kiara, Hannah. Hey guys, we finally made it to VidCon. My voice is still gone. Guys, oh my god, I just had the happiest moment of my life.
Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me.
We're at 9,966.
Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me.
I decided that it's finally time to change my channel name to Kiara Madisen.
Cause sometimes I can see through the echo of every day, always the same, until you take a step and let go. You told me that the shades turn and
Super excited to see what's in this giant box. I'm filming.
You showed me every heart is a fighter. Time is now. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith.
We're here with Lucy and Katie. We forgot to tell her not to pizza and powder.
By the way, this is my dad, Doug. I don't know if I've formally introduced him in the vlog. Oh, well, it's recording. I'm sorry. I did not mean for this to be recorded. I'm going to say bye-bye.